This is the Brent Bruce Daily for November the 18th, 2022. It is now 2:31 p.m. Central Time. We're going to have a shorter report today after all these days of these long, 7, 8, 9 minute reports because so much has been going on and I've been trying to explain what has been happening and what to watch out for in the future. Next week is going to be a fairly calm week because of the holiday, but we are going to have the release of the Federal Reserve's minutes. So basically, the written comments that they discussed in the last Federal Reserve meeting. And we know that the moves that they made were accepted, but the comments that they made were not really well received by the mortgage backed security and bond market. So there could be a little bit there, but I think we've already digested most of that information. So let's take a look and see where we are with our home loan interest rates today. Let's jump over to our charts here. We always take a quick look. We are down 17 basis points, so still leaking a little bit, but that has been a recovery from earlier in the day. Why are we battling? Well, what do you know? The Fibonacci level here continues to be very difficult to break through, as we've seen and we've been talking about getting pulled back, kind of bouncing around here. Now still just under this Fibonacci level, which is acting as a pretty strong ceiling of resistance that we need to break through with some of the reports that we talked about are going to be coming out in the next couple of weeks. Where are we on the 10-year? We're up 5 basis points again. Not what we want to see, but not a tremendous move either way. So how is that affecting our home loan interest rates? Well, yesterday we were talking about, I believe we ended up at about 6.5% was our Brent Bruce daily rate. But for a very small cost, you could get to that 6.375. So let's take a look and see where we are right now. Okay, here we are. Same thing, 6.5% with a pretty good credit, 1224. Let's open this up and see what it would take to get to 6.375. I mean, look at that. Less than yesterday. For only $14, we're able to offer the 6.375% on the Brent Bruce daily, the very well qualified 30-year fixed conventional 800 FICO score primary residence, 25% down. We know that this is the very best of the best, but let's take a look and see here. Let's go over to our FHA loan. Let's say that this person has a 680 FICO score and they're going to put 3.5% down. All other things being the same. What are we looking at as far as our interest rate today for this FHA 3.5% down? 5.75%. We are in the fives for a buyer using FHA right now through the company that we're working with here at Rancho Capital. So definitely reach out to us. All right, so that's all we're going to get into today. To keep the report short, we'll get back to you again on Monday. Have a great weekend and let me know your thoughts. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share. We will talk to you again on Monday.